All of you all completed? Did you draw the number line? Naomi, Lemula completed? Mariana? Okay, when you cross multiply this, you'll get 2 into 3x minus 5 is greater than 1 into 6. 6x minus 10 is greater than 6. What's the answer you got? Decimal answer, students. What's the decimal value? 2 point? Is it 2.6? 2 6 are 12, 4. 6 6 are 36. Okay, 2.65, right? Fine, 2.6. What are the numbers we have? What are the numbers? Replacement set. Yeah, replacement set is given as 0 to 6. X is greater than 2.6, which means above 2. 3, 4, 5, 6 is the answer. So what will be the solution set? 3, 4, 5, 6. From the replacement set, they've given values. X belongs to certain values, this, and you have to plot 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Excuse me. Look, students, answer is positive, but you have to plot at least 2 or 3 negative numbers. Just draw 3, right? 2 or 3 negative. Then 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep dots on this. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, there are two ways to draw number line. One is like this, where we keep dots. On the answer, we keep dots. 3, 4, 5, 6. The value is continuous. The other way of doing it is, the other way of drawing it is, six. So till your teachers do it, I'll teach you all both. Check in which way ma'am does, and you can do it in that way. Look at the other way of plotting from 3 to 6. We have 3, 4, 5, 6. So what you do, start from 3, keep a point, start from 3, and you draw a line on top of this. You don't have to draw dots on the line, and the last number is 6, up to 6. You have to draw up to 6. This is the second way of doing it. There are two ways. One, we just keep dots, 4 dots. The other one, line, 3 to 6. When there are few numbers like this, 3, 4, 5, 6 has only 4 numbers. When there are few numbers, you can keep dots. Okay, when there are few, you can keep dots. Your replacement set is given. Replacement set value is given, students. What if replacement is not given? They just told x belongs to integer. X belongs to integer. How will you plot this on the graph? Can you tell me how will you plot this on the graph? X is greater than 2.5. X belongs to integer. How will you all plot this on the graph? Is it continuous or what? They have given limit. X belongs to integer. Yesterday I taught you all this, right? The answer will be 3, 4. Just keep 3, 4, 5. And what will you do? If it is continuous, Infinite numbers, you have to keep dots like this. Okay, this is how you plot. Yeah, because there is no limit given, students. They have told what kind of number. X belongs to integer, but there is no limit set. If you get questions like this, your answer should be in dots. Fine. Next, fifth question, 6, 7. Okay, from sixth onwards, look at the question. I integer. 10th and 11th is different. 10th and 11th. Try the fifth question, sixth. Fifth, all of you try the fifth one. 7 minus 4. Open the bracket first. Try this fifth question.
Sir?
Yes, Lamila.
So can I off my video to this power cut? I
Fine. Fine. Start solving the questions. Okay, Naomi, can you explain this? What do you get when you open the bracket?
guys. You get minus 12 plus 4x, sir.
4x, yeah, be quick. Greater than equal to?
Greater than equal to 6x minus 15.
15. Now? keep like all the x towards left hand side, come back to the other side. So 7x plus
7x plus 4x plus minus 6x.
okay. What did we do here? Minus 6x, right? We just bought, we didn't divide and multiply, right?
Yes, sir.
So the sign will remain same. Greater than, equal to, minus 15, then this 12
Plus 12.
plus 12. What's the answer? 7x plus 7 plus 4, 11. 11 minus 6,
17x.
17.
X.
If you do like this, check properly, Naomi. You're in 10th standard, the values. What is given here? 7 plus 4 minus 6 is given. Why you want to add all
5,
three?
sir.
The same thing you have done in the exam, you have got less marks. Basic addition, subtraction, you're going wrong. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 minus 6 is 5x. 5x is greater than, this side what do you get?
Minus 3, sir.
No, not my, yes, correct. Minus 5, 15 plus 12. Minus into plus is minus 3. 15 is greater, minus 3. X is greater than, equal to,
Minus 3 divided by 5.
okay, the sign doesn't change because we have divided positive number.
Yes, sir.
Divide 3 by 5, students. You should get it in decimal. What's the final answer? 3 divided by 5 is?
0.6.
All of you got 0.6, and the numerator should go inside. Naomi, when dividing, numerator should be inside, denominator should be outside.
Yes, sir, I understand.
Okay. So keep 0 point. Try this question. Complete it. 0.6. And what are the values given?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
What's your doubt?
Sir, this while dividing, sir, you didn't change the sign, sir. Like, it's minus.
Which one is
You
minus?
didn't change the
Which one is?
sign to resistance.
Which one is minus?
Yeah, sir, there's negative sign, sir. So, you didn't change
Okay,
the
negative sign. Which one?
greater than
3 is negative, right? 3 is negative.
Yes, sir.
But what's the rule? 5 should be negative. Only if you're dividing by 5, you change the sign, right?
Yes, sir.
Only if it is 5, you change the sign, DSV. Look here. Minus 3, it doesn't matter. Because minus 3 is on the right hand side.
Yes, sir.
If it was minus 5x greater than 3. Now tell me, how will you solve this?
X is lesser than or equal to 3 by minus
Then the sign should change. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Before, along with x, if there is negative value, that is the concept. Along with x, there should be some negative. Then the sign will change.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So x is greater than equal to minus 0.6. What is the solution set? Naomi, what is the answer for solution set? Greater than 0.6. Okay, Ivania answered this. Minus 0.6 is given, Ivania. Which side is the arrow facing?
Towards 0.6.
I mean, towards 0. Which side is it going? Left hand side or right hand side?
Cancel.
Right hand side. So 0.6 and right hand side. 0.6 lies between which two numbers? 0.6 lies between 0 and minus 1. Yes, you can just write the 0.6 here, and on top of 0, right hand side, the direction of this arrow is towards right. So you have to plot on the right. 1, 2, and I've given any value replacement set. Minus 3, minus 2, minus. Okay, they have given replacement. So what is the solution set, Ivania? What's the answer? 0, 1, 2, 3. Yes. 0, 1, 2, 3. All of you got the same answer? Wait, let me check. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3. You don't have to show the 0.6, students. In the answer, greater than equal to 0.6. So the answer is 0, 1, 2, 3. Completed, Joanna done? Lemula, Joanna completed?
Yes, sir.
Fine, I'll give few questions for homework. Look at. We have done the fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9. What are the values given here, students? For 6, 7, 8, 9 question, x belongs to what? For the sixth question, x belongs to
Natural number.
natural number. Next, for the seventh one, whole number. Eighth question, x belongs to integer. Yes, ninth question, same, x belongs to integer. Here they haven't given us any limit. I stands for integer. Look, remember this, for natural number, whole number, integer, students. For these three, natural number, whole number, integer, we usually plot the graph like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2. On top of answer, whatever answer you get, you keep a point like this, like this. There are two types of circle we keep. One is darkened circle, we call darkened. That is full solid black. You just draw it like this, darkened. The other one is hollow. Hollow will have O inside it, like alphabet O, hollow, hollow circle. I'll tell you all the meaning of this hollow circle. Okay, for these four, this is how you plot. You use the darkened circle for natural number, whole number, integer. For real number, look at question number 10, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, all those questions as x belongs to real number. For real number, we use hollow circle. We use both hollow circle and darkened circle. It depends on question. Remember this while plotting the graph. I mean, while plotting the right, drawing the number line. For natural number, whole number, integer, it is different. For real number, it is different. Okay, so sixth question homework. Try the seventh one. No, sixth and seventh homework. Eighth question. All of you will try the eighth one. Try the eighth question, students. 3 by 5. You have to take LCM. X minus 2x minus 1 by 3 is greater than 1. Take LCM on the left hand side, you will get 50 multiplied by 3.
Yes.
Yes, Mariana.
It's getting very good.
How did you solve? Wait, let others complete. Don't draw the number line students. Complete up. Just solve this equation. Complete and let me know. Just find the value of x. Let's check. What's the answer you got, Mariana?
I got 20. I got x is lesser than minus. So it's a minus 20.
Minus 20. Okay. Look at this first step. What I have done, students. From here, shift 15 that side. Open the bracket. Complete. Let me know what the answer you got. Lemula completed. Joanna, Lemula, Naomi, Ivania, Diyashri done.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, look at the screen, students. We'll solve from here. What happens to this 15? It goes to the other side, right? When you open the bracket, you get 9x minus 10x. Then, Mariana, explain this. Unmute the call.
Minus 10x. Minus 10x plus 5.
Plus 5. 1 into 15 is 15. Right? Next,
Yes.
how much is 9x minus 10x?
Minus 1x. Then greater than 15 minus 5. So x is greater than.
No, minus x, right? Minus x is greater than 10.
10.
Now I don't need this minus. Where should I shift it? If I shift it, it goes divided by minus 1, right? Minus 1, then greater symbol will be less than. So what's the final answer? X is less than minus 10. Okay, let's check. Did you all get minus 10 or what was the answer, students?
So I want that minus 10.
Somebody told different answer, 20 or something.
So I didn't change the signs by the multiplying, so I got it wrong.
X is less than minus 10. Tanishka and Mariana, right?
Yes, so
Where did you all go wrong, students?
I didn't change the signs.
All this was easy questions. You all struggle. Look here. This part is very important. This part. Minus x is greater than 10. Okay. This x shouldn't have minus. X shouldn't have minus. You have to shift it to the other side. It is a negative value. This minus is nothing but. Actually, I should have done it here. Minus 1x is given, right? Look here. Minus 1x as it is greater than 10. Minus 1x should get divided. X divided by minus 1. Greater symbol will convert into less than. Because we are dividing minus 1. Therefore, x is lesser than minus 10. X is less than minus 10. Look here, I'll tell you how to plot the number line. X is less than minus 10. Solution set for this. Solution set, just write few numbers. Okay, which side is the arrow facing? Which side is the arrow traveling? Left hand side or right hand side? Towards left hand side. After minus 10, what are the numbers you get? What are the numbers you get after minus 10 on the left hand side? You'll get minus 11, minus 12, minus 13. And is there any limit set, students? It goes on, right? Infinite or finite numbers? Is it finite or infinite?
Infinite.
Infinite number. So what do you do? How do you write the replacement set? After 2 or 3 numbers, you keep dots. This is the answer. Replacement set. Solution set. Solution set. And the number line for this is. See, you don't have to write negative numbers. Just write. Start from 9, 8, 9. Just 2 or 3 numbers is fine. Start from minus 10, minus 11, minus 12, 13, minus 14. Right hand side minus 9, minus 8. This is enough. You don't have to write positive numbers. If you try to write positive, the length of this number line will increase. Then minus 11 is given, keep dots. Minus 11, 12, 13. Just keep 3 numbers, or even till 14 it's fine. After 14, keep 3 dots like this. It shows that this is infinite. And look, as per this arrow, all the numbers are facing towards left hand side. This is the concept of number line. Whichever side the arrow is facing, left hand side or right hand side, you have to draw the number line. Complete this 8th question. Integer 9th. Then we have real number 10th.
So,
Yes.
let's find that the symbol points towards X. No?
Finite?
Is it fine if the symbol points towards X?
Fine, Mariana. What's wrong with that? How do you read this equation? What do you say?
X is lesser than minus.
X is lesser than minus 10. So what are the numbers? What is the answer? See, x is less than minus 10 means whatever in place of x is given, these are the values. It can be minus 11, minus 12, minus 13.
Yes.
And the arrow is pointing on the left hand, it is traveling towards left hand side. As per number line, all the answers should be plotted left hand side after minus 10. After minus 10, that's why we have taken minus 11, minus 12.
Yes.
Okay, what was your doubt? I still didn't understand. You asked whether x is.
As I was explaining, you told that it always has to be number and which.
Talk a bit loud, Mariana. After the sentence,
So
you
you
don't.
told that it should point towards the number, not the alpha.
No. Arrow, I didn't tell like that. I didn't teach you. You have misunderstood. I didn't teach like that. What I told was always the alphabet should be on the left hand side.
Okay.
Okay, I didn't tell about the arrows. You have misunderstood. You didn't concentrate when I was teaching. The inequality sign can be pointing towards x or towards a number. That is fine. But the alphabet should be on the left hand side.
Yes.
See, which one looks easier to read, Mariana? The first one or second one? Sorry, if I write it like this. X is less than 10 or 10 is greater than x. Which one looks easy to plot? First one, x is less than 10. If you rewrite, both are same. So 10 is greater than x, x is less than 10, it's the same. We give preference for alphabets, left hand side. Okay, next question. Try the ninth one, all of you. Ninth question. No, don't ninth. Ninth also has integer. Try the seventh one, students. Whole number. Try the seventh question. Six minus 5x is greater than 3 minus 4x. X belongs to whole number. Keep minus 5x left hand side. Bring this minus 4 plus 4x greater than 3 minus 6. Minus 1x greater than minus 3. Okay, sixth question. We didn't solve the sixth one, right? Before this, which question did we solve, students? Before this, which one? Eighth question, right? Eighth is done.
Yes.
Fifth, 5. Okay, 5, 8. Now this is 7. Sixth one and ninth one for homework. Both are same. Natural number, one natural number question and one integer. Try the sixth question and ninth question for homework. 10th onwards, we'll do it on Monday. Tomorrow I'll conduct test. I think it's been 1 hour. If the meeting ends, I want you all to rejoin. Okay, Joanna, can you explain the next step? What should we do? What's the next step?
So yes, x is lesser than, sorry, x is greater than -3 by -1.
No, -1, you're going to bring it down, right? Then what will happen to the sign? Inequality
So
sign.
it gets
It becomes
shifted,
less.
sir.
What you told first was correct. Why did you change it? Which number you're
I
going
got
to do?
confused.
Okay, which number you're going to divide, Joanna? -1 is positive or negative?
Negative, sir.
Okay, you're bringing down
So
negative. Yes, correct. What you told in the beginning was correct. X is less than, minus and minus will get cancelled. Less than 3.
then 3, sir.
Whole number is given, students. So what is the solution set, Joanna, for whole number?
0, 1, 2, sir.
Yeah, 0, 1, 2. So you can plot 0, 1, 2. And whole number. So there is no negative. Don't write any negative numbers. Or just for reference, you can write -1, -2. But dots only from 0, students. 0, 1, and 2. 0, 1, 2. Completed? Done with the 7th one, all of you all?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, so the solution, look here, you solve it. After solving, we got x is less than 3. Second step, solution set, SS. SS stands for solution set, 0, 1, 2. And it is whole number. For whole number, it is restricted. Only 0, 1, 2 students. Don't put any dots. Draw the number line. Try the 6th one, 9th one for homework. And tomorrow's topics for test. Okay, all of you will rejoin. Rejoin and tell you. Okay, Joanna, even where is Cherisha? Why she didn't attend today? Did she tell you all or nothing? No? Fine. After break, I'll give you the topics. How many students with Tanishka? 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, you'll take break. We'll continue at 1:10. Up to 1:30 I'll conduct. We'll continue at 1:10. Fine. I'll give you all banking students. Are you all thorough with banking chapter?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Banking. What are the formulas we use? What's the formula we use?
Yes, sir.
You will remember the formula. We have two formulas for banking. One is you have to find interest. Interest and maturity value. You all forgot this? What is interest formula? All of you unmute.
Three into
See, interest. In the beginning, I told you all, even if you get this, students, usually what is interest formula? What is interest formula? We have interest is equals to PTR by 100, right? PTR by 100. So your time is what kind of this one we do calculation is done for time period, yearly or monthly?
monthly, sir.
On monthly basis. We call it as RD account, recurring deposit. So P into R and 100 will be same. R and 100, only the value of T will differ. What's the formula? N into N plus 1 divided by
Plus 1.
2 into 12.
2 into 12.
Even if you forget, you can remember this logic. PTR by 100, P and R is same. Only T differs because of monthly calculation. N into N plus 1 divided by 2 into 12. This is interest formula. Maturity value. What is maturity value? That is total amount. How do you calculate total amount? Principal plus interest.
Interest.
But your principal every month is calculated. So P into N. P into N plus I. Do you all remember this? Banking chapter?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Naomi, Ivania, Joanna, Diyashri, others, Lemula.
I remember.
Practice students, practice few questions. I'll give banking and GST 1 to 7. In GST, only 1 to 7, 7 questions. Banking total full chapter. Yes. Tell me, Mariana. Your voice is too low. Talk a bit loud. Yes, talk a bit loud.
Sir, I thought you will give that any question exercise. Is it?
Yes, end question in sense time. Yes, that is important.
Yes.
I think the 12th and 13th, right? The
Yes.
question name Kavita or something. It starts with Kavita, right?
Yes.
Yeah, 12th and 13th. Go through that. In that, you have to solve even the quadratic equation. Okay. See, if we start
Yes.
already, we have done the revision, students. If you want me to make you all revise again, 2 or 3 classes, we have to waste. So you'll go through that, check the notes, practice. If you have any doubts, Monday we'll discuss. So GST, I'll give 1 to 8 questions. Question 1 to 8. Then probability full chapter. Will you revise probability? What are the topics there? In probability, we have only 2 formulas. Only 2 concepts, students. What are those 2 concepts? You have to find event. What do you mean by event? Event is favorable outcome. And what's the other word? Event and what's the other word? Sample space. Sample space. See, you'll have holidays Saturday today and tomorrow. Right? You'll have 2 days. No, sorry. Tomorrow I'm going to conduct test tomorrow, students. You'll have 1 day time. Go through these chapters. Banking, GST, probability. In probability, sample space is total outcome. And formula is probability of whatever question is given. Favorable outcome divided by total outcome. You have questions based on that. Then for coin students, for one coin, what are the total outcomes? For one coin, what are the total outcomes we have? Head and tail. Yes. And what is the formula, students? What's the formula you have to remember? 2 to the power of n. N. 2 is nothing but side, or you can write like side, number of side to the power of total coins, n. So how many sides a coin has? A coin has how many sides? Two sides. Now two coins. When I write two coins, what is the total outcome? Number of coin is 2, and how many sides a coin has? Two sides. 2 square is 4. So what are the 4 values we have? If you flip 2 coins, what are the 4 values we'll get? Head and head, tail and tail, head comma tail, tail comma head. This one. Then for 3 coins, what is the total outcome for 3 coins, students? 3 coins. A coin has 2 face. 2 divided by number of coins, 3. What's the total outcome? 2 to the power of 3 is 8. So for your syllabus, maximum you'll have 3 coins. Head and head, tail and tail. That question, I think, third question. Yeah, third question will have 3 coins. The same goes with dice. How many sides a die has? Dice are? Okay, for one dice or one die, the value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the total outcome is 6. These are the numbers 6. For 2 dice, what's the formula, students? For 2 dice, what's the formula? 6 to the power of 2. That is 36. 6 to the power of 2 is 36. So when you roll 2 dice together, the combinations are 1, 1, 1, 2, up to 1, up to what? 1, 6. Then what's the next combination? You'll have 2, 1, 2, 2, up to 2, 6. Then 3. Yeah, 3, 1. It goes on up to 6, 1. 6, 1, and this side you'll have 6, 6. This is how we'll get 36 values. And for dice, you'll have only 2 values. 1 die and 2. Only 2 types of questions. Okay, go through probability. Probability is very easy chapter. Fine, I'll give probability. Okay, these 3. And linear inequation next week. These 3 for test. Log in at same time. Tomorrow Saturday, log in at same time. It is online test. 12 to 1:30 I'll conduct test. Time 12 to 1:30.
So how many marks is that question?
Here, probability I'll give more questions. I'll give for 10 marks. GST I'll give for 8. And banking 16. Okay, for 25 or 30 marks, these I'll conduct for 30. 14, 16.
Okay.
Probability I'll give 14 marks, GST 8 and banking 8. 2 questions. Probability around 4 or 5 questions. So it will be for 30 marks. 30 marks test.
Okay, sir.
Fine. And one more thing. Do you allow textbooks? All of you allow textbook with you? Okay, go open page number 500, students. Open 500, all of you. Page 500. (491). Open page 491.
Yes, sir.
Can you see this ICSE specimen question is given previous years?
Yes.
Okay, here these are the questions, same like last year. I mean, previous year's questions. You'll have page number 491. So, what I want you all to do is page number 500. Look at page number 500, students. Can you see GST chapter given? GST, banking.
Yes.
Yeah, do one thing. Practice these questions. Any of the exercise questions you have completed, practice these questions. Just one or two questions you'll practice, and for tomorrow's test, I'll be giving it from these. All these are important. Page number 500. Page number 500 and probability. Probability is in page number. Probability. Yeah, 526. 526. 100 students have scored less than. Okay, you don't need students. All these are some advanced questions. They've given very tough questions. Fine. Entire probability we have solved. Look at page number 527. Open page 527. In 527, only the second question. We have solved question like two competency focused questions. Okay, all these are advanced questions. Don't need. Now I'll make you all solve this. Okay, before your school starts, we'll solve questions from this. Okay, forget about this. Just go through the chapters. Don't need page 491 and 500. I'll tell you. I'll make you all solve that. Banking, GST 1 to 8 question, probability full and banking full. Okay, that's it for today. You all can leave. Log in at 12 o'clock tomorrow.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Can I join a bit late tomorrow?
Fine. What's the reason, Tanishka?